Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these little ice pop lightsabers from the printables that I have. Now, what you get is you get 2 sheets with 3 different colors on each sheet. The first sheet is the pink, orange, and red. The second sheet is the purple, blue, and green. And so all you do is you print them out. You either can print them at home or take them to your nearest print shop. And you use a plain old scissors. You cut out your little lightsaber. And these are so great for Star Wars themed parties, boys' birthday parties. I mean, bachelor parties, let's be real. It would be kind of fun to have a cooler full of ice pops that have the little lightsaber holders on them. Any Star Wars fan, May the 4th. Anytime you are celebrating something that has a Star Wars theme. So I'm just gonna, I didn't fold exactly perfect, but that's okay because now it is perfect. And all I do, now you could use double stick tape as well. I'm just using regular old Scotch tape. And I'm just taping the very edge of the front. And what I will do is you could use one full piece as well. I'm just going to use 4 smaller pieces just so you can see. I'm going to use my finger to kind of burnish the edge so you can't even see that there's tape on there. Now, nobody likes freezing cold hands holding their ice pop. Even in the middle of the summer, it's still not very comfortable. So I'm going to tape both sides. And if you go over your edge, just take a scissors and just kind of trim it. And with these printables, it's an instant download. So what happens is you purchase the PDF. You get the PDF, you download it onto your computer. You can't use the app to download your purchases that are digital because Etsy just doesn't let you do that. So you can use a laptop or just go on a browser window from your device, download it, and then you can print it right at home. And I use like a heavier cardstock kind of paper just because I wanted it a little heavier. Or you can take it to a print shop and have a bunch printed too. And that's all there is to it. Super cute, super easy, and very little supplies needed to create these. You can, let whoever is eating your ice pops pick their color, and then they can pick the lightsaber cover. I just did them to match the Ice Pop brand popsicles. So they are the same colors, the pink, red, orange, green, blue, and purple. Oh, I cut that a little crooked, but that's okay. Again, I'll just go back and just trim this up a little bit. Most people, that wouldn't even bother. So I'm going to, again, take a little bit of Scotch tape. This. Hold it on both sides. Oh, got a little wrinkly on that one. Trim it. Do it again. I just go along the very little bit of an edge on this front. Burnish it down. we go. And in goes the green. So there you go. Perfect little holders for all of your ice pop colors.